Hi, everybody. I hope that you came out to see the parade. It was a lot of fun for all of us to do, and it was so great to see all of those of you who did come out to wave to us. Very wonderful time. It was kind of cold today. Tomorrow should be warmer. So, are you ready to play outside? I am. Piggy! Gerald! Are you ready to play outside? Yes. We are going to do everything today. We are going to run. We are going to skip. We are going to jump. Nothing can stop us. Plunk. Oh, no. It's starting to rain. It is raining. It is pouring. Oh, it is really pouring. I have never seen so much rain in my life. I do not like rain. I am not a happy pig. Thank you, Gerald. But it is still raining. How can anyone play outside with all this rain? Rain! Yay! Splish, splash, splish, splash, splish, splash. Worms like rain. They are having fun. Maybe we can have fun too. We can try. Splash. This is great. Let's play. Run. Skip. Jump. I love rain. I hope it rains all day. Rats. Now I like rain, and now the rain has stopped. I am not a happy pig. Do not worry, Piggy. I have a plan. Rain? Elephants make the best friends. The pigeon. All right, get outside tomorrow. Even though it will be sunny, you can still have some fun. It will be nice and warm, and I'll see you all tomorrow.